The leg shapes mentioned in the comments section should ideally be described as knees buckling inwards and calves flaring outwards due to muscle compensation. Ready? Let's begin practicing. First movement. With knees pointing inwards, exhale and kick outwards and upwards at a 45-degree angle. Begin to fully feel the stretch in the outer thighs and glutes. Optimizing the curves of the outer thighs and glutes will help them return to their correct position. Thighs, calves. When lifting upwards, be sure to point your toes, but don't press your knees down. Find the extension in your calves. The lines will be more beautiful. Second movement. With toes pointing inwards, exhale and lift outwards and upwards at a 45-degree angle. Begin practicing, feeling the full tightening of the outer thighs and glutes. This slightly sore and swollen feeling will help the hip joints return to their correct position, completely eliminating leg compensation. Extend your legs forward as much as possible. Find a ballet-like feeling. Small circles in 3 movements. We've begun. Be careful to control the range of motion. Don't overdo it, just aim for a smooth, silky feel. This helps reawaken the small muscle groups around the hip joint, allowing the legs' lines and alignment to extend more during each walk. Coordinate with natural breathing. Slightly bend your knees, don't hold your breath. For the fourth movement, exhale and pull inwards, lifting your heels upwards, toes pointing diagonally forward at a 45-degree angle, focusing on the inner thigh. Maintain a noticeable tightening sensation to help correct the widening and return the leg to its normal position, while simultaneously allowing the leg to find a sense of extension. Make sure the second toe and the center of the groin are aligned. Holding the patient's hand, practice turning the body to the other side, slightly inwards and downwards with the knee. Try to control the knee, don't forcefully straighten it. Prepare to exhale, turning diagonally forward at a 45-degree angle. Reoptimizing the curves of our hips and legs while adjusting our hip joints is the fundamental logic for improving leg shape. Controlled, steady breathing. Second movement, toes pointing inwards. You will feel a swaying motion during the exercise. Keep your core engaged. Point your toes downwards and kick outwards at a 45-degree angle, feeling a noticeable soreness in the outer part of your hips. This won't build muscular legs. It will only make our hip joints more aligned and neutral, resulting in more beautiful leg shape. Third movement, small circular motions. Ready position. During the circular motions, focus on smoothness and control, activating the power of the entire gluteal muscle group. Slightly bend your knees, trying to align the second toe, knee, and the center of your groin, finding a sense of extension in your legs. Fourth movement, hook your toes and extend them diagonally forwards. Ready? Start practicing. Lift your inner thigh muscles upwards, simultaneously raising your heels. Point your toes diagonally downwards, bringing your hips together and making your legs slimmer and straighter. Keep going. You should feel a noticeable burning sensation in your inner thighs. 3, 2, 1 star.